Namaste everyone, Sahil this side. Welcome you our YouTube channel Yoga Niyam. So many of the beginners, they ask me this question that how we should start practice or how should enter the field of yoga, how should start our practices, or which practices are really important that we can practice every day. So here I am making this video especially for the beginners or with the regular student, those who are asking this question with me regularly, that how to start the yoga practice and which postures are we can practice every day. So first of all, let's start with the sequence, how we should start the practice and how we should continue with this. So first of all, remember that to start anything, might be you are a runner or a normal person, before starting this we always start with the joint movements. So with the joint movement means the mobility drills. We need to always mobilize our joints before practicing, and after the practice also we should stretch little bit and relax the muscles, very important. So first is Vyayam, means the mobility drills. We can start with the joint movements easily, neck rotation, joint movements, ankle rotation, little bit twisting, and after that stretching is really important. So first is the mobility, means the joint movements. So second is the stretching. So stretch the muscles. Joint movements will work on your only joints, but stretching will increase the blood circulation in your entire body nicely. So you will become ready for the advanced postures of yoga. Advanced means might be the Surya Namaskar, might be the general practices, but it will help you to prepare your body for that level. So second is stretching, side bending, Tadasana, twisting, forward bending, backward bending, all this comes in the stretching. So second was stretching. Now the third one, after warm up and the stretching, we comes on the Surya Namaskar. Surya Namaskar is really good practice. We have already made 2 videos on Surya Namaskar. So you can go and watch that all 2-3 videos that we have made. You can get the link of our Surya Namaskar in the description. So please must go and check our videos. After Surya Namaskar, your body completely will get pumped up. If you don't have time, must practice minimum Surya Namaskar every day. Now after practicing Surya Namaskar, body will get heat up completely, and if you want to practice handstand, if you want to practice headstand or any further advanced arm balance, or might be the deep stretching, backward bend and forward bend, so your body will become completely active and your solar plexus will become completely active to take you towards the next level, means the upper level of the, might be the, as I said, the any advanced posture or intermediate level you can practice very easily after the Surya Namaskar, because body get warm up. So first was Vyayam, mobility drills, joint movement. Second was stretching. Third was warm up, and is covered the Surya Namaskar for the entire body and stretching. Now after that Surya Namaskar, in the regular basis you can practice the cleansing process. Is really important because we breathe every day, every second we breathe. So when we are breathing, many of the bacteria and the dust particles enter in the body, enter in our blood, many kind of gases that we are inhaling. So remember, I have mentioned in my pranayam videos that we don't inhale just with oxygen, we are inhaling the multiple gases and we are also exhaling with the multiple gases. So these gases come directly enter in our blood, and there is one of the best practice known as the Kapalbhati, which really helpful to clean our blood every day. So that we can practice every day early morning. All the practices that I am basically discussing with you, you can practice early morning or in evening. You can practice both the time, but the gap should be before the food, it should be let's say 3.5 hours. So you can practice before the meal or after the meal, 3.5 hour gap should be there. So first joint movements, stretching, Surya Namaskar warm up, and then the Kapalbhati, means the cleansing process. In the cleansing process we have the different kind of practices which yogis has designed to cleanse the body internally, physically as well as mentally. So after all this, these are the normal practices that if you are traveling, you don't have time to practice something else. So this is how you can start, and you can make a list. Now the next thing comes, which is really important and is depend on person to person. Suppose that you wear the specs, means your body, your eye muscles are weak and you need some practices which are really good for you rated exercise that you can add in this list. Suppose if someone is struggling with the forward bend, means the hamstrings are really tight, so the hamstring practices are really good, means the forward bendings are really good, will be good for you. So it's depend on person to person which practices are really good for the body, that you can add that along with these practices. I am not saying the rest of the practices are not good, like Alom Vilom Pranayam or any other arm balance stretching. You can add, you can practice anything. Here you can add anything, but the Surya Namaskar, as I said, is a wonderful warm up for entire body. Second, as I said, the Kapalbhati increase the level of oxygen in your entire body, and you will feel completely oxidized. You will get ready for all these practices. And some of the time the people, they ask that we should practice pranayam in the beginning or at the last. You can practice the Kapalbhati at the end as well, or in the beginning as well. Why in the beginning? Because as says Patanjali said that when the person think to enter in the field of yoga, we should always start to cleanse. So they also mention in the beginning cleansing process. So first we should start with the cleansing process, means you can practice, yes, little bit joint movements, stretching, Surya Namaskar if you want, and after that directly start with the Kapalbhati, or first Kapalbhati then Surya Namaskar is completely fine, and after that you are free to practice anything, because your body is warm. After Surya Namaskar you can practice anything, so better practice joint movements, stretching, Kapalbhati and Surya Namaskar. This should be our sequence, and after that, as I said, you can add anything. You write down the practices which are really good. If you have any doubt that which kind of practices are really good for me, I am completely healthy, so we have made more than 120 videos. You are free to watch all. You can watch the practices, you can learn. There are many yoga drills which I have made especially for those who have the joint problems, and those who really like the animal flow, those who like vinyasa or any practices, shoulder opening, back opening. If you have the backward means back really stiff, you can practice for that. We have made the video for hamstring as well. If you want to increase your forward bending, we have video for that as well. So watch that videos, and if you have any question that so you are welcome to join our regular classes that we run every morning and evening, and you can also contact us for the private classes as well. We are here to help you. We will work together and we will become flexible. We will reduce the weight. Meditation classes we run, pranayam classes we run, and if you want to become a yoga teacher, so we are also running the yoga teacher training programs every month. So you can also register yourself for the TTC program, and it's Yoga Line certified. So don't worry, you will get the certificate, and the certificate is valid in entire world. You will get the job easily after completing that certificate. There are levels, level 1, level 2, level 3, 200 hours, 300 hours, 500 hours. So you can join all the courses with us, and we have also the short courses for you. If you are not want to pay more, you can start with the small courses as well. So you can contact us anytime. So I hope the doubt that you had before is completely clear now, that how we should start the practices. I will also mention this sequence in the description, so you can check easily, so you will not get any kind of doubt. So I hope you like this video, and keep watching and subscribe our channel. Thank you.